In the golden age of American muscle, the Pontiac GTO was king. And today, when you're looking to grab a piece of Detroit's finest iron without closing out your retirement, a well-restored GTO is one of the smartest purchases on the market. The beneficiary of a detailed rotisserie restoration, this fully documented hardtop is a great classic for anyone who enjoys the unique fusion of simplicity and tenacity that defines legendary muscle cars. And if you're looking for a museum-quality time capsule that'll exemplify 1967 for decades to come, it's your chance to grab a tiger by the tail. Correctly restored with many NOS components and a 400 Muncie drivetrain, this GTO is ready to win crowds and please its new owner. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.